If LDPlayer feels slow, laggy, or unstable, yeah, background apps are often the hidden reason. The good news is, with a few quick tweaks, you can free up resources and make LDPlayer run way smoother. First, open Task Manager and check what's using your CPU, RAM, and disk. I mean, this helps you quickly spot the apps slowing everything down. Next, close heavy apps like Chrome, Discord, Steam, or any download tools. These apps can quietly consume a lot of resources even when you're not using them. Now go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary apps. Yeah, this prevents them from running in the background every time you boot your PC. Next, go into Windows settings and turn off background app permissions for non-essential apps. This reduces hidden system load while LDPlayer is running. If your antivirus is running scans, pause them temporarily while gaming. I mean, real-time scans can cause sudden lag spikes in LDPlayer. Now open Task Manager, find LDPlayer, and set it to high priority. Yeah, this helps Windows allocate more power to the emulator instead of background tasks. You can also clear temporary files using disk cleanup. This removes junk that can slow down background performance. Finally, restart your PC. I mean, this resets memory usage and clears any hidden background processes, and that's it. With fewer background apps running, LDPlayer should feel faster, smoother, and way more stable, way more